Hello, students. After many days, you are hearing my sound. Actually, I have sent all the media links. I have sent you some videos. I have sent you important PPTs through our college web page. But as our authority guided us that we should do some kind of audio videos, and that's why we should go through that so that students could get actual learning. As we can't come to the classroom can come towards you. That's why, as it is the same norm, it is the first lecture of English to you. So, are you ready? Today, as it is the first opening lecture, we are going for the contents. As you can see on the screen, you can easily find out our contents, and they are divided into four parts. As you can see the name section. Section 1 prose, section 2 poetry, section 3 writing skills, section 4 genre drama. Like last year, the same sections are there, but some changes are there. You can easily find out. So shall we start? Section 1 prose. 1.1 An Astrologer's Day, R.K. Narayan. As you can see the namings, you can easily find out the Indianness. 1.2 On Saying Please, Alfred George Gardiner, the writer's name. 1.3 The Cop and the Anthem. You will love this story because it is written by the sensible heart O. Henry. 1.4 Big Data, Big Insights. If you'll find out there is empty place at author's name because the author is anonymous, unknown to us. 1.5 The New Dress. It is written by again the famous literary creature Virginia Woolf. 1.6 Into the Wild, Kiran Purandare. 1.7 Why We Travel, Siddharth Piku Raghavan. 1.8 Voyaging Towards Excellence. Achyut Godbole is the writer of that. Section 2 Poetry. 2.1 to 2.8 It is the journey of poetry section. 2.1 The very opening poetry Song of the Open Road. It is written by Black American poet Walt Whitman. 2.2 Indian Weavers. Again, you can find out Indian Air, which is written by Sarojini Naidu. 2.3 The Incap Rock, Robert Saudi. 2.4 Have You Won Your Tomorrow? Edgar Guest. Very interesting title, and as it is, the poetry too. 2.5 Father Returning Home. It is written by again Indian Ness, and that's Dilip Chitre. 2.6 Money, William H. Davis. 2.7 She Walks in Beauty, George Gordon Byron. 2.8 Small Towns and Rivers, Mamang Day. Now we are going for section 3 writing skills. 3.1 Summary writing, and last year we have dealt with it thoroughly. 3.2 Do schools really kill creativity? And in bracketing you can find out mind mapping. I think at web page of our college already I sent the PPT related that, so you can easily find out the easiness in that. 3.3 Note making. Last year we have dealt with it. 3.4 Statement of purpose. 3.5 You will get the interest of yours drafting a virtual message. As now we are going through virtual learning, similarly you have to see, you have to learn, and you have to draft a virtual message. 3.6 Group discussion. Last but not the least, section 4 Genre drama. Last year we have gone through drama, but this year we are going to deal with novel. 4.1 History of novel. 4.2 To Sir with Love. It is written by E.R. Bradwell. 4.3 Around the World in 80 Days, Jules Gabriel Verne. 4.4 The Sign of Four, Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle, the very famous name. So, in that way, we have to deal with all the contents this year. I hope that today you have got full analysis of the contents and you are very eager to learn the very opening text of us, that is 1.1 An Astrologer's Day, R.K. Narayan. So in the next lecture we will see the analysis of the first unit, and later on we are going to join 1.1 An Astrologer's Day, R.K. Narayan. So it is expected from you as homework. What's that? You have to read the next topic, 1.1 An Astrologer's Day. Read at least icebreakers, introduction, and the first passage of this topic. I repeat the homework. You have to read 1.1 icebreakers, introduction. I repeat the homework. You have to read icebreakers of An Astrologer's Day, introduction part of the writer, and the first passage of An Astrologer's Day. Have you got all the students? So what exactly is expected as homework? You have to read this page, section 1, which is the analysis. Then you have to read this icebreakers on page number 1, and also you have to read this introduction part of writer and An Astrologer's Day, the first passage, which is starting from punctually at midday and end up with the line, wages he carried home at the end of a day. Have you got the homework? Then do the best. Bye.